Just few days ago on 22nd July 2019, I received an SMS. I received this SMS from a sender who registered themselves as, let us see, ITR Refund, who registered themselves as a business ITREFD as the sender detail. However, their name showed up as LTREFD. Alright. See, the timing is perfect that during the last 10 days of July, any message related to income tax will be given full attention by any Indian. Although the due date has been extended by our CBDT, some people are trying to steal your bank info through these spam SMS messages and emails. And this will repeat till the end of August because the due date got extended. And that's why this video is really important for you to see. Even if you are tech savvy, please share this video with all your friends and family who are not that technologically informed. Now let's dig deeper. This SMS is promising that I'm going to get a refund of 25,290 rupees and 9 paisa. That's not a round amount, but definitely a vague number. That's because if you know for sure that you are getting a refund from IT department, the income tax department, then you would be first knowing it through your accountant or auditor or whoever helps you with your tax return. If you did your own income tax return, then you can see the refund or pending tax details from your calculated tax return yourself. Otherwise, you will never get any such email or SMS messages from IT department that you need to click to request for a refund. Now, it's also not recommended to click this link at all. It might install a spyware or some bot on your phone or computer. So please remember that first and never click on such links. However, let me now show you what exactly happens when we open this URL, assuming it's genuine, because there are some innocent victims of such fraud who always believed what they saw until they gave away their bank information and lost all their money. Now, I'm not going to click this URL as it is, but we'll type exactly what it is here. bit2e2vkl. So here it is, http and bit.do/e2vkl. Alright, let's see what this brings up. Okay, so this shows up like a real IT department website, income tax department website, or so they think. The logo is okay, and then some other links over here, but observe this URL. Can you see that there are some random Russian characters, I believe? I don't know what language is that, but this is complete proof that this is just a stupid website spoofing as if it is an income tax department website. So that's number one giveaway, where you can easily observe that this is not the genuine website that we were looking for. It's very hard and even impossible to spoof this for anyone, the domain address. So always see the URL and the spelling and the main domain first. And you can also see that there is no padlock sign, security sign. Let me show you how this actually look. For our real income tax website. So this is the actual website with the padlock sign, and you will also get this pop-up saying the income tax department clearly shows that they never ask for any information. Alright, so see this, there's a padlock security sign here, which clicking will tell you that this connection is secure, and incometaxindia.gov.in, it is definitely secure, and you have all these proper links over here. So this is the genuine website, and this is the spoofed website. Now let's see some other components on this website as to how fake they are. Take this visitor counter for example. How much ever I visit this website, it is going to show the same number. Let me refresh this site. 44152 again. Go ahead and take the risk of checking this website. It will show the same number to you, because when you inspect this visitor counter here, this one, these are all hard coded numbers to show the total visitors in a span tag, using a span tag, just hard-coded number, nothing. It's not a real counter too. Alright, let's go ahead and try and click on the home page icon. Nothing happens. And when I put my mouse over on this, observe the URL below. It just is a JavaScript open home, but actually nothing happens. Whereas on the real website, it says the same thing, JavaScript open home. Clicking on this will reload the website with the regular warning that they never ask for PIN numbers, passwords, or any access to information to credit cards and all. But here, just nothing happens. Similar is the case with every link on the website. I wouldn't suggest even opening this or even clicking across on all this, but just to show you that these are all just plain empty links sitting here doing nothing. There's a reason for that, like why these links are not functioning, and we'll come to that in a minute. I just want to show here that they don't even put some hard work to cheat people, just do some superficial lazy work to create such rubbish and get ahead with the bank information that people key in thinking it is the genuine website. So let's get to the crux of why this is being done to you. As you could have guessed by now, all they need is your bank account ID and password, account number, along with other personal information such as address, personally identifiable information, the PIIs, credit or debit card info, secret questions or answers, Aadhaar number, everything. So let's go ahead and see what they have to do here. Okay, I'm going to click on Citibank and say proceed. Wow, they had replicated the Citibank website to show and have the ID password taken from us. Of course, the URL still says it is the rubbish URL, and there's no padlock sign, security sign, or anything. They just want your ID and password. As soon as you key in the ID and password, it goes to their database and that gets recorded. Okay, let's go back. Now let's try ICICI Bank. Cool. This is again that same old gibberish website with an ICICI Bank looking page. So again, if I enter ID, password, or anything here, that information is going away. You cannot even right click on these websites. Although if you want to inspect these elements, just hit F12 on your computer keyboard and you can see that these are all just random spinner tags which is going to spin off information taken from you and then give away to them. The first thing that you want to look at is the URL and check the spelling. Sometimes ICICIbank.com could be written as ICICIbank.com or ICICIBAANK.com. Those could also happen. Similar is the case with State Bank of India. Again, none of these links will work except that they want your ID and password. Even further, just put your mouse on this home button and see the link below, the URL. Some random website, some masked website where it takes you to some flory.vip. Not sure what's that. Definitely not good. Alright, you can clearly see here how some people misuse the knowledge they have gained in the wrong way. Although there are more instances than one where the coding or design of this website that they attempted is not up to the mark. That being said, a layman can easily be cheated with these almost real look of bank and government websites. But it's my sincere hope that this video gets circulated and shared to whomever you know, to everyone who you know, so they don't fall for such robbers. It's enough if you follow just the few but important checkpoints that we just saw in this video to ensure you don't compromise your personal and bank information. Please share this with everyone you know so your friends and family won't lose out on their hard-earned money because of some unscrupulous cyber criminals who are waiting to get your bank information and other personal details. Last but not the least, I opened the same website on Mozilla Firefox, checked the page info. You can see that this actual address is referring to this URL over here, which has a RU, I guess that's Russia, URL. Anyway, I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.